Francis D'Souza, ex-Deputy Chief Minister and MLA of Mapsa, is a very big loss to the state of Goa. He worked as a law minister, town and country planning, health, and has touched a lot of people in different ways. A lot of people of Goa he has touched, he has helped. His contribution of his work will not be forgotten by the people of Mapsa constituency and all over Goa. It is a very big loss. A leader who I always looked at, and he was the first minority leader to join Bharatiya Janata Party 20 years back, around 24 years back, and successfully won 4 elections under BJP. And he showed us the way that even minorities have got place in Bharatiya Janata Party in Goa. He was the first leader, we followed him. I was second who got elected as a ZP member under him. He was one of the instrumental person who took me to Bharatiya Janata Party's office and got me enrolled over there. So his contribution to BJP party as well as the state of Goa will not be forgotten.
काल आमचे म्हापशेचे आमचे लाडके आमदार गेले आनी खरेंच आमकां एक मन मिळोवंक स्वभावाचो एक लिडर जे गरिबांक कोणाची जे कितें हें आसा जे आयकून घेवन तेचेर तोडगा काडपी जावं तेचेर सल्लो दिवपी असो एक लिडर आमच्या वचून गेलो. खरेंच ही एक ओपी जाली. जेन्ना आमी काल आयकलें तेन्ना खरेंच मनाक वायट दिसलें. सगळ्यान पयलीं म्हणजे तेंचेर फॅमिलीचेर हो आघात जाला, तेंची फॅमिली आहा, तांकां सगळ्यांक देवान शक्ती दिवची. हो आघात जाला हे दुख्ख सहन करपाक.
हांव त्या वेळार मगो पक्षान काम करतालो एमजी पार्टीन, आनी हांव एमजी पार्टीन आसा पूण तोय एमजी पार्टीन म्हाजे बरोबर भितर सरलो आनी एमजी पक्षाच्या युथ विंगचो जनरल सेक्रेटरी जालो. थंयच्यान ताची एक राजकीय कारकीर्द सुरू जाली आनी ताका एक वेगळें वळण ताच्या आयुश्याक मेळ्ळें. मागीर म्युनिसिपॅलिटी, मागीर आमदारकी, मागीर मंत्रीपद, डेप्युटी चीफ मिनिस्टरशीप हे ताका मेळत गेलें.
काय सांगलेलें की बाब फ्रांसीस डिसोजा हो असो लिडर जालो की अजात शत्रू ताका केन्ना शत्रू जाले ना. आनी म्हाका दिसता तेज्यामुळे तितलो जो जनसमुदाय दिसता ते दाखयता की ह्या माणसाचे कर्तृत्व, ह्या माणसाची सामाजीक बांधिलकी आणि ह्या माणसाचे प्रेम लोकां बद्दल जे आसा त्यामुळे इतलो जनसमुदाय दिसता.